Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Magnum 40 guessing number. Play iBox and direct. First number 1857. Second number 3158. Third number 8176. Fourth number 3752. Next, Toto 40 guessing number. Play iBox and direct. First number 0868. Second number 6874. Third number 7890. Fourth number 6342. Fifth number 5246. Okay friends, thanks for watching this video. Only guessing, not confirm number.